You know, setting up your kitchen at a proper flow makes cooking easier and is better for sanitation reasons. Hi, I'm Chef Mike. Today we're going to talk about setting your kitchen up to make it easier on you as well. There's really only two areas, your prep area and your plating area. If you're right-handed, your prep area should be to the left. This is because you'll be spending most of your time in the prep area and stirring with your right hand on the skillets to your right. Let's start with the prep area. You notice I've got one big no-no going for me already. My knife is sitting out. You never want to leave your knife out or in a drawer. Always use a knife block. You also notice I have two cutting boards, one for meats and one for vegetables. You also notice I prefer bamboo boards. This is because studies have shown that bamboo or wood helps to kill bacteria and not harbor it like plastic or glass. Also notice my boards are laying flat. I don't have them up on their side where they can actually warp. Your prep area should also have these three items always sitting out and available. Olive oil, kosher salt, where you can grab a pinch at a moment's notice, and a fresh cracked pepper grinder. Keeping your can opener in the prep area also helps save time and steps. Having your trash can close is always a plus. If you're considering a trash compactor, place it next to your trash can. Now your seasonings, vinegars, and sauces should be right above your prep area. Never put them above your stove because the heat from the stove will dry them out and they'll lose flavor. Flowing to the right, we have the plating station. I keep them in the cabinet right above. You'll also notice I have my utensils in this area as well. This is because you never want grease to be splattering on your cooking utensils, making them unsanitary. So there you have it. Tips and tricks for getting your kitchen in order, in line, and sanitary. So let's get cooking.